I'm I'm
Bless
I'm making
you.
I'm making a
It's holiday today, so we're
Yeah.
doing our what?
arts.
Our craft.
Uh-huh.
So what do we have here?
A train.
Mm-hmm.
Seems to be that of a 440 tender locomotive.
Alrighty. This is a cute train.
Thanks.
And then what do we do with it after that? We seed it with Mod Podge. It's an experiment.
I don't really know what Mod Podge is.
Well, it's stuff that you seal your drawing with. So let's see if it works though. I'm not sure if it's, this is our first time doing craft
Yeah.
like this.
Shade this inside.
So what are you using, by the way?
A marker.
Yeah. But
Tracing
it
over
is,
the pencil
yeah,
lines.
it is the extreme permanent fade resistant. So let's see if this one will work, because we didn't use the paint marker, the acrylic paint marker. That's a cute tender butch.
Pretty good. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
I'm not gonna put a cold load yet.
Yeah, you can. If you want
Or I
to.
cannot. No. But
It's up to you. It's your
Yeah.
design. It's your art.
yeah. Alright.
Okay, let me see. Can I see your drawing? Oh, bless you. Alright. Well, that's our craft for the first quarter.
Yeah.
Let me see. There you go. Choo-choo train.
Yeah.
That's
Little
cute.
choo-choo.